Hello, everybody, and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then bounce around the market and look for something to do. Couple new things this week. Number one is I'm a day late, so the market's actually open right now. So we're actually watching the market in real time, and you can see it's pretty much gone nowhere for the last, 3 weeks. Even though today it says it's a down day, you can see it's actually still up for almost a little bit from Friday, or it's about the same as Friday. So really nothing's happened. This is the S&P 500. The NASDAQ looks very similar. Again, it's actually gone up in the last few days. Even though it says today is a down day, it's gone up consistently for the last week. And the Russell, the same. It's way down here, but it's the same kind of looking chart as far as the last few days. It's gone up again. But remember, it's earnings week this week, so we're not worried so much about the market as a whole because we're making earnings trades. And we're actually going to make an earnings trade this week in AMD. And you can see if I go down here, it says earnings tomorrow after the market close. So remember, a couple things with earnings trades. We always put them on, and we try to put them on in the last hour to 30 minutes of the day in which the earnings are going to take place. Meaning tomorrow is earnings, tomorrow after the close. So in the last 30 minutes to 60 minutes of the market, we're going to put this trade on. And that way we can center it correctly. And then we're going to take this trade off the very next morning in the first 15 to 30 minutes as well. So on 5-3, when the market opens, we're going to look to take this off in the first 15 to 30 minutes. So here's what we're going to do. We always, first off, we always go to the shortest expiration cycle available when we make an earnings trade. In this case, it's 4 days. Tomorrow when we put this on, this will say 3. We also have on this platform the market maker move. And what that means is the market is expecting that the stock price, because of earnings, will go up or down roughly $6.23. So that's kind of what we call like the range. It's expecting a range that wide, plus or minus, meaning above or below the stock price. It's expecting around a $6.25 move. So if we set this thing up, if everything was exactly the same tomorrow, about 30 minutes before the market closed, what we would do is we'd go up roughly $6 up or down either side. In this case, you see it's right now 89.50. So 650 up would take us to 96. 650 down would take us to 83. So we've got a little bit of cushion, right? It's expecting 620. We're going 650 up and down. So the market's expecting it to stay in that range, and so are we. And then we're going to turn this into a $2 wide Iron Condor by buying the put and the call $2 away. Now with earnings trades, we don't hold to the same rules, the 33 to 50 cents per dollar width. We can get a lot more creative because it's only a one-day trade. So I don't necessarily need to get 66 cents or more in this trade. You want to be able to make something, so there's got to be something in there. But if I'm getting like maybe even 60 cents for this trade, I still might do it because I'm looking to probably make 20 to 30 cents the next day right away. And that's why we need some credit there, because if it's like a 10-cent credit, what are you hoping to make? 2 cents? Again, a little more leeway with earnings trades, but this is how it works. Again, tomorrow, if everything stayed the same in the last 30 to 60 minutes of the trading day, we're going to put on this trade. We're going to look at this, go up and down roughly $6, create a $2 wide Iron Condor, look to collect probably at least 60 cents or more on this trade. If that all works, that is our earnings trade for tomorrow afternoon, and we will take it off, Wednesday morning in the first 15 to 30 minutes of the market as well. And that's how we do an earnings trade. Hello everyone, I'm glad you've been following along on my weekly trades, but putting on trades when the market is closed and then just watching them go on and off is not really how you're going to truly learn to make money in the stock market. What I found is the best way to learn is to actually trade alongside somebody in real time. And that's why I've created this alert system. There's 2 alerts, the basic and the pro. The alert itself is exactly the same. You get 2 to 3 trades per week in real time. Unlike the weekly trade, these trades are sent out in real time. These are trades I'm actually making, and I will also send out the closing alert when I'm closing them for the best profit potential in time as well. So this is actually trading alongside me in real time. The only difference between these 2 alerts is the Pro gives you access to all the content I've ever made. Many of these courses aren't available anywhere else. Now, I don't like gouging people out the gate with services they don't like, so these might seem a little expensive, which is why I've created coupons to get you on board cheaply to make sure you like it before you do anything crazy. So when it comes to the basic alert, if you go to sharpertrades.com and you type in this code, the basic alert is only $1 for the first month. And you can cancel at any time. So you have 30 full days to figure out whether you like this or not. And if you do, stick around, would love to have you, and it'll just default to the regular monthly fee. On the Pro, similarly, I have a discount coupon that'll get you $19 for the first month. Again, the Pro is more expensive because you get access to all the content I've ever made. Just type in this code at sharpertrades.com for the Pro, and it'll be $19 for the first month. It'll default to the regular monthly fee if you stick around after that. But you might say, how do I use these coupons? All you do is go over to sharpertrades.com. You're going to click on the products button right here. And when you click on that products button, what's going to happen is it's going to take you to this page, our products, and it's going to show you these two, Option Basic and Option Pro. If you click on Option Basic Alert, it'll bring up the enroll page right here. You click on enroll. I know it says $49 per month, but we're not going to start there. We're going to go here to add coupon code. When you add the coupon code, you're going to hit apply, and this $49 will drop down to $1 for the first month. If you stick around and like it, it'll default to $49 after that. On the Option Pro side, same thing. If you hit Option Pro, enroll for $99 per month. We don't want you to do that. You're going to go to add coupon code right here and hit apply, and when you do, this will drop down to $19 for the first month. Obviously, if you stick around, it will also default back to $99 in the second month and moving forwards. And here again are those coupon codes. Use them to get the massive discounts while they are still available. Would love to have you on board. Look forward to having you join me, and happy trading.